Wat is dat dan? Dit is leuk, Sophia. Oh, het komt van onze computer hier. Geluidstraining hebben we hier. Alle soorten geluiden, koeien, vuurwerk. All kinds of sounds I put for the puppies every day to get used to all different kinds of things. A lawn mower and now it's vuurwerk. And Sophia vindt het een beetje spannend. Hè? Sophia finds it a little bit exciting here. But that's okay. Not too bad it is for her. There's Muriel on my lap, sleeping. Is Bassie aan het stoeien? Met wie ben je aan het stoeien, Bassie? Ah, ik hoor niks. Hij heeft muziek in zijn oren en dat snap ik ook. Met de vuurwerk. Here's something now. She found something nice to carry around. It's all the newspapers that we need for the night shifts. Is naar haar lelijk sleeping. Oh, lekker slapen, schat. Yeah, hey. Oh, he's so cute. It's very fluffy. Fluffy puppy fur. And what are you guys doing here? We're biting and rolling. It's a kind of quiet moment here. They're just playing with their own things and hoi. Hi, hi schat. The brown ones are always asking for attention and coming to sit in your lap and so Sophia is tired. Het is Hanael. Hey Hanael. Again dressing. He likes his green friend. It's his green boy. Jeremiel. Jeremiel. Hey. Hey, schat. Oh. Sorry, jou.